Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language in Suno AI app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Suno AI application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Suno AI application has been opened. Right now the language that is selected is English. So if you want to change the language, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see your profile informations like followers, following over here. So in order to change the language, you'll have to access the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like my subscription, music model, appearance, language, support. Simply tap on the option language that you can see at fourth. Now you'll be led to the app language interface. You'll be able to see all the languages over here. Simply tap on the language that you want to switch to. Now you can see over here that language will be selected and the language will be changed. So that is how you change language in Suno AI app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.